I will show you the complete intercooler assembly process step by step. This method ensures proper airflow and water flow. First, clean the intercooler casing. Buffing to remove dust, sludge and remaining chemical content. Inside the intercooler casing to wipe and clean the by using cloth. After cleaning, take a moisture separator filter. Flush the air and water until all contaminants are removed. Flush the air into the moisture separator filter safely. After cleaning the moisture separator filter back into the casing before install moisture separator filter. Check the moisture separator filter mesh. Larger perforation comes top side. Smaller mesh perforations comes bottom side. Install the moisture separator filter into the casing. Next, remove the outside the acid tank intercooler through wash the fresh water spray into the intercooler. Flush the water inside the intercooler, air side and water side. Flush the intercooler air enter side tubes with compressed air. Then flush the air delivery side. Check for any pressure drop or airflow restriction in the intercooler tubes. If air flows freely through the all tubes, the intercooler is confirmed okay. Flush the air delivery side. By using a smooth emery paper, clean the bottom side shell tube o-ring seating part and also clean the bottom side tube holding plate o-ring seating groove and also clean the top side shell tube o-ring seating groove. After cleaning the shell tube, clean the tube holding plate grooves. Check the air side tubes any damage. Take the intercooler end cover sheet. Take out the old U-type rubber gasket and clean the sheet properly. By using a smooth emery paper used to wipe the end cover sheet. After cleaning, reinstall the end cover sheet into the intercooler. Take the U-type rubber gasket and apply the gum. After applying the gum, insert the U-type rubber gasket at the bottom of the intercooler. Inlet water side end cover sheet. By applying a grease bottom side shell tube o-ring groove, insert the o-ring into the shell tube. After inserting the o-ring into the bottom side, take out the top side o-ring into the shell tube. By applying a grease small amount to the shell tube of the top side. To insert the o-ring into the shell tube, rotate a intercooler into the vertical position. Insert the o-ring top side tube holding plate. After inserting the O-ring top side, insert the bottom side tube holding plate O-ring. Check the both top and bottom O-ring seating is properly. After inserting the O-ring into the intercooler, install the puller frame intercooler top side. Match the lifting stud and tight the nut securely. Tight the all 4 bolts lifting nuts. After tightening the lifting nuts to lift the intercooler safely, lift the intercooler and carefully insert into the casing. Ensure the intercooler inlet and outlet ports are properly aligned with the casing. Once aligned, push the intercooler fully into the position. Intercooler and casing inlet and outlet ports are matched. Check the casing inlet and outlet ports are aligned with same line. After the intercooler is seated inside the casing, unscrew the puller frame nuts and remove the puller frame outside the intercooler casing. Intercooler top side, put it the supporting plates on the opposite direction. Install the pushing angle frame into the top of the center. To tighten the pushing bolts. To tighten the pushing bolts opposite direction. When the pushing bolts are tightened evenly to push the intercooler downward. through push the intercooler inside the casing by tightening the pusher bolts. After completely seating, remove the pusher frame. After checking the water inlet and outlet ports are properly seated. After completing the installation of the intercooler into the casing, remove the pusher frame and pusher bolts. Supporting plates are removed. After completing the assembly, check the pressure test.